Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This one is super exciting because I'm actually taking part in a surf contest. This is the adh. It sounds a bit weird in English because it's for Germans. It's the adh, which basically means it's all of the German universities in all of Germany coming to St. to France to surf and to see who is going to be the next champion of the German universities, which is so fun. And there are going to be so many cool people, so many girls. It's going to be open, so basically any board length and longboards, both men and women, which I'm so excited about. Obviously I'm starting as longboard women and I am so excited to do it. I don't know, it's gonna be so much fun. This morning actually we're still at the parking lot where we stayed last night, but I'm actually gonna surf today, so I am already a little bit nervous and super excited to be surfing. The waves are tiny baby waves, so we will see how that goes, but I'm super excited, so let's go and see what happens.
Und dann sogar auf das Wir warten.
So we're after the surf. It's so bright here, I don't even know if you can see me at all. But the surf was really fun. It was really cool. Surfing with the girls was also fun, and like the speakers and all the people watching. It was really enjoyable. It was also kind of weird. I don't know, it was fun. It was weird though. It was good. So the first two of every heat advanced to the next round, and I was on second place throughout the whole heat. And then there was one of a bigger wave a little bit, and I was sitting in the middle, and to my right and to my left were two of the other girls, and both of them started paddling, and somehow I'm still like, when somebody else is paddling for a wave, I'm more likely to be the one pulling out, because that's what I learned in Hawaii. I don't know, it's in my head somewhere, which is obviously not the best, especially for a surfing contest, because you want to be more aggressive and you want to get the waves or like get your own waves. But I let that wave pass, and I passed on my priority, which is why the girl that was right behind me with the stats scored a really nice wave, because the waves were tiny, as you saw, and I did not make that wave, and that's why she actually went into the second round, because she passed me by like 0.37 points. So by that small amount, I didn't make it into the semifinals, which I was a little bit sad about, but obviously like it's my first contest. I had so much fun. It was all fine. The surf was good. We had the best waves throughout the whole contest. I feel like we had such a good time frame. So I'm still glad. I'm still really happy. It would have been nice, obviously, to proceed on, but that's how it goes. And yeah, that was it. It was a really nice experience, and I had lots of fun doing it. I never seem to find good lighting around this car. I don't know what it is. Anyway, the adh has officially finished and I filmed all throughout the final. It was so much fun. The energy was so cool. The vibe was amazing. There were so many cool people and it was really, really fun to just watch that and be part of it and kind of document it a little bit. So I really loved the longboard final. I also kind of like that it was more of a focus on the longboards than on the shortboards, because the shortboards had a tag team challenge and that was like really quick. So now the whole glory was on the longboards, which Luis and I just loved because longboards are just so much better. But we had a great time. I had such a good contest. It was so much fun. It was such a cool experience. We will definitely, oh my god, oops, Maverick wanted to say something too. We will definitely be back next year. I'm so excited to be back. Let's hope we're gonna have some better waves next year. But it was a great experience and I hope you enjoyed this video too, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.